Two riders on the same scooter at the same speed pulling the same lever. One of them stops, the other goes down. On almost every scooter, the right lever is the front brake and the left is the rear. The front is by far the stronger, and it is also the one that puts riders down for the same reason. When you are simply riding along, most of the weight sits at the back, where the engine and the rider are, and the front tire is carrying only about 40% of it. As soon as you brake, the machine pitches forward and the load piles onto the front tire. That 40% climbs to about 75. Grip follows weight, so the harder you brake, the more firmly that tire is pressed into the road, and the more it can take. The front brake gets stronger the more of it you use. That transfer is not instant, though. The suspension has to compress before the load can arrive, and that takes about 1/3 of a second. For that 1/3 of a second, the tire has 40% on it, so it gives little more than half the braking it will manage once the weight lands. Grab the lever and you ask for all of it. Ask a tire for more than it has, and it locks, and a locked tire skids. A skidding tire does not steer at all, and on a scooter at speed, that puts you on the ground. Which is why the technique is to squeeze the lever on and then squeeze harder as the machine settles, rather than grabbing it. You are letting the weight arrive before you ask for the grip it brings. That progressive squeeze is the whole skill, and it is also what an anti-lock braking system, ABS on a spec sheet, does for you automatically. Most scooters do not have one, so until yours does, you are the ABS. If that was useful, there's a new explainer every week, pulling apart one everyday thing and the way it fails. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.